Hello everyone, welcome back to Pooja's Recipes. Today I'm going to show you a very nice recipe of paneer. Like it's one of all of our favorites, paneer bhurji. It's just made with few ingredients, but it's really very good, very nice and healthy and tasty also. This is homemade paneer which I've taken out. I'm going to crumble it later. If you want you can grate it also, but I'm going to just make it, like mash it and just crumble it. I have made paneer this from 2.5 kgs of milk. These are 3 big onions finely chopped. This is 1 red pepper. This is optional, if you want to put you can put. This is finely chopped. This is 1 green capsicum finely chopped. These are 4 tomatoes finely chopped. Green chili and ginger. Garlic, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, salt, jeera, oil. This is Kashmiri red chili powder and this is kasuri methi. So let's start making it. First we'll add oil, 2 to 3 big spoons of oil. And I have taken this, this is a hard and a thick metal bottom of this pan. So it's going to cook very nicely in this. If you want you can take any pan. I have taken this hard one. Let the oil heat up and keep the flame medium high. First of all we are going to add these cumin seeds or jeera seeds, around 1 teaspoon. Going to be very colorful also, and paneer is like loved by everyone. And we can relish it with as a side dish also, or as a main dish with roti, paratha, anything. It's perfect for parties also or for any dinners. So this has crackled now. First of all I'm going to add this garlic. These are 8 to 10 garlic cloves. Just cook it for a few seconds and put the flame low when you are adding garlic, otherwise it will burn. Maybe for around next 30 to 40 seconds on slow flame we are going to cook this. I'm going to add onions now quickly. And we have to not cook them for like more than 1 to 2 minutes until they just get translucent. We don't have to cook them very brown. It's just going to take us maybe 1 to 2 minutes. I'm going to add now these ginger and green chili. And again just going to cook for 15 to 20 seconds. There goes the tomatoes now. Just keep the flame high now for a few minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of salt at this time. And just mix it. This is very important to cook the masala properly in this paneer bhurji, because paneer is already very soft, so it will be cooked very easily. The main thing is we have to cook these masalas very nicely. And the masalas are also they're just basic ones. We don't need any special masalas for this. But the sabji is really going to be very tasty. I'm also going to add these dry spices. Turmeric, 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder, around 1 teaspoon. I'm also going to add later the Kashmiri red chili powder for a very good color. This coriander powder, 2 teaspoons. And again we have to cook this masala. I'm adding these red peppers now in the masala, and also this green one. Just give it a good mix. You can also add choice of the vegetables if you like peas and anything if you want to. Some people prefer to put peas and other things, but this green and red pepper, it will give definitely very good color also, and also a good flavor to it. Keep the flame a bit higher at this point of time. Now I'm going to add this paneer. This is already crumbled, so I'm just going to crumble with my hands and add it like this. It shouldn't be very powdery. It should be like the pieces should come like approximately this size. I'm just going to add this. Yeah, put this paneer. I have not put the whole one, which I've showed you. I've just left almost 1/4 of that because it was looking, masala was not looking enough, so I have left little bit of from that. See, so I'm going to add salt also now, and this Kashmiri red chili powder for a very good color, and again mix it. This still looks dry to me, so I'm going to add a little bit of milk to it. It's going to give it a very creamy and good flavor. Approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. And this again give it a good mix. This looks nice, see? We can see paneer also, we can see vegetables also. These paneer chunks we can see properly. So this is the way it should look in bhurji. So now I'm going to leave it on slow flame for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to cover this and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. I'm going to mash this kasuri methi in between my palms. The sabji is ready now. Just spread it all over. That's it. And finally, to finish with my favorite coriander. Lots of coriander, and switch off the flame. It's ready to serve. Just mix it and show you how wonderful it looks. See the consistency also. It's very nice. See, I've served this paneer. How wonderful it looks. Look at the color, the texture. These peppers and everything can be seen. This paneer, crumbled paneer can be seen very easily. It looks wonderful and it smells awesome. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do try and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.